y'all, Darla here with Growing Tropical. What do you think? Aren't they beautiful? I wanted to make sure that I got these in as soon as I could in this window box because I want them hopefully to be able to take off and just go the whole summer long. I've put in quite a few things on this south side yard that just have been so unpredictable. And as I've been making progress and doing things, a lot of things are working, and the things that are not working, I'm making a mental note, actually writing some things down as well that I will not duplicate back over here because they didn't do well. Now, while the pentas that I had talked about in my earlier video, when they were in this window box, it really wasn't that they weren't doing well. I mean, they were looking okay, but I know what pentas can actually look like, and they were never going to look as beautiful and spectacular as I really wanted to look being in this bright shade. But these Coleus, these are going to do really well. I just have that feeling they're going to do really, really well, and they're going to explode. And here's another thing. I got to thinking about this when I was planting up this box. Usually when I do containers or hanging baskets, I like to put a bunch of different like plants in the basket to kind of bounce off, you know, the thriller, filler, spiller type thing. But you know, with these Coleus, because the leaves, the foliage on them is so different. You know, I've got the greens, I've got purples, I've got burgundies, I've got light and dark, and the color variation of these leaves make it almost look as if you've got different plants going in this window box. But nope, they're all the same thing. So, and I know that the light requirements are all going to be met because it's the same plant. So anyway, you guys, I wanted to make sure that I got this on video for you to be able to see just how beautiful these sun Coleus actually are. Or not sun, actually, I said that wrong. Shade Coleus. Let me show you very, very quickly before I end this video. I have these. These are clippings of some sun Coleus, and what I'm going to do with these guys is I'm going to be putting these in the landscape in the direct sun. And what I'll do is I'll show some updates versus the shade box with Coleus and the sun box, or not sun box, but the Coleus that take the full-on sun. There are quite a few varieties that are actually out there now that that you can grow the Coleus directly in the sun, and I just love these drifts. I'm going to bring this a little bit closer to the camera here. These are just a very, very dark, and as they're in the sun, they get these really pretty green margins on the leaf. And the leaf is very, very roughly, but the more sun these sun Coleus get, the more vivid and bright the color absolutely is. But look what I did. I clipped them. Look at the root system on that. They've been in water for about 2 weeks now. And I mean, I cannot believe how much they've rooted. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take them each individually, and I'm going to just stick them right down in the landscape, and hopefully they'll just take right off. They should. Theoretically, they should just take right off. But again, sun, direct sun Coleus, shade Coleus. All right, you guys, till the next video, bye for now.